Hello everyone, I am Ashavari Shukla. I am Salesforce Certified Administrator and Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder. Through this PowerPoint presentation and later walking you through the application, I am going to share with you a demo of an application for clinic management. The name of this clinic is Cure and Care Clinic. I have made this app using Salesforce. The agenda of this presentation is overview, pain points of the existing system, what are the high level requirements of the client, ERD, object structure, advanced features, tools used for this project, and schema and relationships. Overview of this PPT is this is my first application built on Salesforce Service Cloud using the standard features with minimum configuration. This app is suitable for a small clinic which can be managed by a doctor and a clinical manager. It is not built for any commercial use. It is built only for learning and demo purpose on the free developer org. The requirements are captured from a family doctor and feedback have been taken from them and incorporated in this application. These are the pain points of the existing system. It is difficult to manage different types of accounts and contacts like patients, pharma organizations, laboratory, and external doctors in one system. The existing appointment management is Excel based, which is difficult to manage and track over a longer period. Because of Excel based appointments, it is difficult for doctor to track appointments for the day. There is no easy way to track all past interactions with a patient in a single view. The high level requirements are patient management, external accounts and contact management, appointment scheduling, billing and invoicing, reporting and dashboard, and user experience. This is the mind map for high level requirements. So these are different people who are associated with a clinic. The first one is doctor and clinical manager. So doctor and clinical manager are the users of this application. So as a doctor, he has to manage account information. He should be able to manage cases, manage patient visits, view reports and dashboards, and manage bill information. For a clinical manager, he or she has to manage account information, manage cases, manage patient visits, manage bill information, and view reports and dashboard. Clinic management also includes management of patient, which includes getting appointment from the patient and confirmation over email, get reminder email for the appointment, and when the patient case is closed, the patient will get the email for taking their feedback from them. This is the ERD, that is entity relationship diagram. The first object is the account object. It is a standard object. This account object is used for two purposes. One is for saving details like that of other hospitals, laboratories, pharma organization, and external doctors. And the other purpose is used for managing patient. So for that I have used person account. So for the patient, it saves the patient's data like a patient's account number, first name, last name, contact, email address, blood group, gender, birth date, address, etc. Now for each account there are different requirements. So I have made different record types according to field type requirements. So there are four record types that I have used: laboratories, pharma organization, doctor, and patient. Now for every account there will be different contacts. So the contact object is again a standard object which saves information related to contacts of the account. So for contact also I have used different record types like external doctor, external hospital staff, laboratory staff, medical representative, and family contact information. Now the main pain point, or we can say requirement of the clinic, is managing patients and other accounts and contacts at one place. So for managing appointments and events, I have used other standard objects like events and task. Task object is used to schedule appointments of patients and other contacts. After events and tasks, the other standard object that I have used is case object. The case object manages patient cases. This object has a lookup relationship with account and contact. So we can see patient name and contact name on case object. This object is also a standard object in which I have added custom fields like doctor name. Now for every case I have associated bill information and bill line item, and bill information and bill line item are custom objects which has all the details related to bill payment, payment status. I will explain it later. These are the advanced features of this application, and I will share the application and explain you what are the advanced features I have used. Now I'm going to take you through the application and show you what advanced features I have used. So here, as you can see, this is the home page, and here is the name of the clinic and the logo. So here you can see different tabs like accounts, home, contacts, cases, calendar, which basically shows all the appointments, tasks, reports and dashboards. So when a user logs into the application, he can see a welcome message, welcome to Cure and Care Clinic, have a great day. This I have done using a flow and later adding it to the dashboard. Here the doctor or the clinic manager can see all the today's appointment. Here we can see only one account and one patient appointment because there is only one appointment scheduled today. Here this chart shows all the open and closed cases with different priorities. Here you can see today's events. So again here you can see patient appointment. This shows all the recent records and today's tasks. After home page there is accounts. Now as I said earlier, for accounts I have made different record types. One is person account for patients and for other hospitals and pathologies. So according to the record type, I have here shown the image indicator. So this image shows that this is a patient account, and this image shows that it is a hospital, and this image shows that it is a laboratory. So this I have done using a formula field. Contact object is used to save all the contacts related to the accounts. Now when I go to the case object, there is, when I click on account name, you can here see all the information related to that account, and this account has 3 different cases which are generated so far. Now here if I want to create a new task, or you can say if I want to create a new event, that is booking an appointment for this patient, I will click on this new event. When I click on new event, a new window will pop up. Now here the subject is patient appointment. Here the date is already there. I will enter, for example, the appointment time to be 1 p.m. So here the name of the patient is Harsha Rawal. So here when I click case for appointment, here I will be able to only see the cases that are related to Harsha Rawal. So either I can create a new case for her, or I can choose one from these. So I will choose on this case, and here again you can see the name of the patient. And when I click on save, here I will get this message that patient appointment was created, and here also you can see here. Now when I have created a new event, there is automatic generation of a bill information. Here you can see that this bill is generated automatically, and when this bill is generated, there are different line items that are generated automatically. This I have done using record triggered flow. And here also you can see the payment status indicator. For example, now we will enter, for example, the patient has paid for consultation fee. What I will do is I will click here and edit. So here fee type is consultation. Here you can enter the description if there is any. Bill amount I will enter, and if there is any discount percentage, for example, if I will enter 5%, I want to give discount on consultation fee. Here the paid amount I will enter later, and I will save this. So here after discount the payable amount is 190. Now for example, if the patient pays for the vaccination, I will click here and edit, and for vaccination the amount is 500, and I want to give 10% discount on vaccination, and I will save this record. So here you can see that after discount of 10%, this amount is automatically calculated. Now again, for example, I will go to this and edit, and the unpaid amount is showing is, or payable amount which is showing is 190. So if the patient pays the amount, and I will save this record again. So here unpaid amount is showing 0 rupees and paid amount is 190 rupees. Now again for this, for example, out of 450, if the patient is paying 200 rupees, so I will in paid amount I will enter 200 rupees and save this record. So here it auto calculates the total paid amount and total unpaid amount. So here for this patient he has paid 390, and the total unpaid amount is 250. Now here you can see that since the amount is not fully paid, there is a payment status indicator which is showing a yellow light. It means that the patient has partially paid the amount. If he has not paid any amount, the light that will show is red light, and if he has paid fully, here the indicator will be green light. So here using a formula field I have added traffic light signal. Also you can see that there is a roll up of payment summary from bill line item to bill information. Now here on this calendar tab we can see today's appointment. So from here also we can book an appointment of the patient. From here new event. Then there is a tab called task which shows all the today's tasks like call, email, check report before appointment, etc. And reports and dashboards which I have used on home page. Apart from this, I have also used some advanced features like, for example, if a patient's appointment is scheduled today he will receive a mail at a scheduled time that there is a reminder for you that your appointment is scheduled today. Then, whenever the case is closed for the patient, he will receive a thank you email, and also a feedback form will be sent to him by email. Here I have embedded Google Forms in email template, and later use that email template in a flow where every time whenever the case status is closed, the patient will receive the feedback form. Then, as I said earlier, it will show all the open and closed cases report and all the today's appointment summary on the home page, which I have already discussed earlier. The tools that I have used for this project are Salesforce Free Developer Org, Xmind8 free version for mind map, and Draw.io for ERD. So this is the schema diagram of this application. This shows account, contact, case, bill information and all the relationships between them. The blue line shows all the lookup relationship and the red line shows all the master detail relationship. And this is the schema for account, case, task and event, where it shows how they are related to each other. I hope this presentation was helpful to you. Thank you for watching it.